Welcome back, guys. In this video, I will show you how you can add your Gmail account to your Facebook. So first, go to your Facebook app and then click your profile menu and then click settings. And then you'll have to go to personal information. From there, click contact info, and then you can add an email address here that is your Gmail account. So let's say, for example, you will input your email address that is your Gmail account in here, and then after putting your email address, you will have to put your password next, and then just click add email. And that's it. That's how you add your email on Facebook. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please do like and subscribe to this channel.